Now we discuss about Two Slit Experiment. This experiment is said to illustrate the essential mastery of quantum mechanics. This mastery is embodied in the apparent ability of a system to exhibit properties which, from a classical physics point of view, are mutually contradictory. We have already touched on one such instance, in which the same physical system can exhibit under different circumstances either particle or wave-like properties, otherwise known as wave-particle duality. This property of physical system, otherwise known as the superposition of states, must be mirrored in a mathematical language in terms of which the behavior of such systems can be described and in some sense understood. As we shall see in later, the two-slit experiment is a means by which we arrive at this new mathematical language. The experiment will be considered in three forms: performed with macroscopic particles, with waves and with electrons. The first two experiments merely show what we expect to see based on our everyday experience. It is the third which displays the counterintuitive behavior of microscopic system, a peculiar combination of particle and wave-like behavior which cannot be understood in terms of the concept of classical physics. The analysis of the two-slit experiments presented below is more or less taken from volume 3 of the Feynman lectures in physics.